So what I have here is 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. This is 35% cream. I also have 1 cup of dark chocolate, and I have slightly heaped it because there are air pockets that are in here. If I really cut all of this chocolate down and gave it a good shake, it would go right down. So I just want to make sure that I've got a good cup there. This is Swiss chocolate. It's 72% cocoa. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that and pour that right into my heated cream. I heated this in the microwave for just over a minute. It's very hot. And what I want to do now is I just want to let the cream start melting all of that beautiful chocolate. And there's no need to stir at this point. You can let this sit for a minute or two. You just want the chocolate and the cream to just slowly become friends. So you want them to get acquainted with one another. You can give it a little shake. You just want to make sure that everything's covered. Just like that. And we're just going to let that sit for about 2 minutes. So I'm going to stop the camera here and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so this is about 2 minutes later. I'm going to grab a small whisk, and just from the center, I'm just going to start stirring a little bit. You don't have to whisk hard. Just gentle, gentle, gentle. And you're going to see the action starting to happen here. Beautiful magic. You can see the chocolate and the cream are slowly combining. So you just keep stirring. Oh, that smells so good. Make sure it's all nicely combined. And there we have it. So at this point you can see how thin the chocolate is, but I'm going to pop this into the fridge and that's going to thicken it up quite a bit.
So that's it for this video. If you want to see this ganache in action, in another video, in my mini Oreo cheesecake video, there is a clickable link to that video at the end of this video, and I'll also put it down below the video in the description box. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.